So another thing we learned about recently was least common multiple. Least common multiple. And you've had experience with least common multiple before. You get two numbers, like say 6 and 9, and you would simply find multiples of these numbers and you would add them together and you'd list them out. So you'd start with 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. And with 9, you do the same thing. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and so on. And you notice that between 6 and 9, there are some multiples that they share, like 18 and 36. But you can use factor trees again to find and to have another way to find the least common multiple. And here's what you do. So let's take two numbers for which we can find a least common multiple. Let's try 8 and 12. We'll start with 8 and 12. What we can do is make a factor tree for both. So we make a factor tree of 8. It's 4 times 2. 2 is prime. 4 is not, so we do 2 times 2. And 12, which is 4 times 3. 3 is prime. 4 becomes 2 times 2. So the prime factorization for 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. The factor string for 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. And you look and you see what factors do they share. And you see that 8 and 12 share a pair of 2's and another pair of 2's. But they don't share this 2 because there's only one 2 here and this is a 3. So they share 2 here and a 2 here. And what you do is you cross out one factor in each of the pair of factors that they share. And then you simply multiply together everything else. So you end up with 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Which equals 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. And 24 is the least common multiple.